When it comes to protecting hydraulic hoses, installation speed and quality matter. Safeplast installation tools are designed to make spiral protection installation faster, easier, and efficient. Traditional installation methods can be time-consuming and physically demanding. The Safe-Bundler streamlines the process, helping operators install spiral protection quickly and consistently. Using a standard cordless drill, the Safe-Bundler smoothly guides the spiral wrap onto the hose, reducing installation time while maintaining a professional finish. To accommodate a wide range of applications, Caplugs offers small and large Safe-Bundler sizes. Small Safe-Bundler for spiral wrap sizes with an outside diameter of 12 to 40 mm, large Safe-Bundler for spiral wrap sizes with an outside diameter of 50 to 140 mm. But installation is only part of the story. For over 75 years, Caplugs has been helping customers protect hydraulic hoses, fittings, and components. Caplugs hose protection solutions are designed to improve safety, extend equipment life, and reduce maintenance costs by protecting systems from abrasion, impact, and environmental wear. Safeplast hose protection products are manufactured at our headquarters in Buffalo, New York, supporting our commitment to onshoring and domestic production. Manufacturing in the U.S. means dependable quality, reduced lead times, and fast shipping when customers need it most. Combined with Safeplast hose protection products, the Safe-Bundler delivers faster assembly, consistent quality, and reliable protection for your hydraulic hose systems. When safety and reliability are critical, protection must perform under pressure. Safeplast Safe Sleeve is designed and tested to meet the challenges of demanding industrial environments. Watch how it performs in a series of tests that demonstrate its ability to enhance safety, contain hydraulic failures, resist flames, and support operational reliability. Smarter installation. Better protection. Proven performance. Learn more about Caplugs hose protection and bundling products by visiting caplugs.com/hose protection.